Hey lovelies, welcome back to a new video. If you are new here, hey love, I would definitely love it if you subscribed. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. I filmed the intro already, but I didn't like it, so I said I was going to do it over when I finish my makeup. So here I am, and let's just go ahead and get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying to recreate a look that I saw on Pinterest. I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can see. I've been wanting to get into color a little bit more, so I'm going to do that today. I think I'm going to start with my base actually, because I just am not used to doing my eyes first. So I'm going to speed through doing my brows. I have a tutorial on this that you guys can watch. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my base first. I think I'm not used to doing my eyes first, so yeah, I'm just gonna go with my base. I'm gonna do the same thing I always do, using my Juvia's Place concealer. I'm going to blend this out. I did put a little bit more just because this look is obviously gonna be more dramatic than my everyday. But I'm still not into wearing foundation. It may just be like I need to find like a new one that I actually like, which I plan on doing at some point, but I'm really just enjoying not wearing it. So I'm bringing the concealer on my lids since I'm wearing shadow and just blend. So I'm going to take this NYX stick, this contour stick, and the highlight side. I'm going to just kind of go over any really noticeable marks that I don't want to show, so it looks like I'm wearing foundation. So I'm going to take the other side of this NYX stick and contour. I feel like I'm the best with makeup when it comes to my base. Like, I don't really mess around with eyeshadows as much, but I am trying to get into them again more. But I feel like my base is my strong point. This Morphe M439 brush, I love to use this brush to blend out my contour. My edges on swim today. We got to move them on out the way. I'm gonna set my under eyes and my lids with my Sacha Buttercup. I am going to try new setting powders, y'all. I promise. Like, I promise I have new stuff coming that I'm gonna use. I just feel like when I get used to a product, I just really don't want to change it because I know that it works and I get afraid, but I need to like branch out and try new stuff. So it's coming. It's coming. But for right now, y'all got to stick with me and my Sacha Buttercup. But I'm gonna use this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. I'm just gonna put that all over my face to set it. Then I'm gonna contour with my Black Radiance contour palette. Ooh, this base is flawless, y'all. If I mess with the eyes, I'm gonna be really mad. Okay, so I'm looking at the picture and it kind of looks like she's going more like orange peachy, which works. I'm gonna try. Probably not gonna look exactly like her, but I'm definitely getting my inspiration from that. So I'm gonna start in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna use the shade Real Guard. So I'm just gonna start building that color up. I feel like this is like maybe a little bit more pinker than I wanted, but it'll be fine. So then I'm gonna go in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the orange shade there at the top, and I'm gonna put that like right underneath the Real Guard. I don't know why I feel like the color is not appearing on camera how it looks in person, but we gon' see, y'all. We gon' see. I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm going to, don't want to make it more peachy, so I'm not going to go in with any more red. I think I'm just going to go on my lid with straight orange to bring like that orange back into it, and just make it really deep and prominent. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm gonna go with a little bit of gold over it. So I'm getting the highlighter in my Black Radiance contour palette. I'm gonna use the highlighter and go over my lid. You're so pretty! Oh my goodness. I'm not used to making the right moves with eyeshadow. This is really, oh, wow. Thank you, Jesus. Because I did not know how this was going to turn out. I feel like I want to put orange in the inner corner. So I'm going to do that. Do you ever feel like when you're doing your makeup, like you just don't know if it's like looks right or not? You're just doing something, but you have no idea? That's how I feel right now. Okay, I'm going to put on some lashes. I don't know which ones to put on. Maybe these Lily lashes. This is in the style Monaco. That's the wrong way. I'm gonna do this off camera because I do not know how to apply lashes and I go through a lot. So I'll be back when I get them on. Boom! Got the lashes on after like 85 hours. So I'm gonna go over my like lash band with some black liner and pop on some mascara. I'm gonna run some of that orange in underneath my bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So for blush, I'm gonna use this blush by Milani, and it is in the shade Carolina, Lena, I don't know. Very lightly, because I'm not a blush girl, you guys know that. I'm gonna spray my face really quick. And I'm gonna add my highlighter from Wet n Wild, my favorite Golden Flower Crown. So for my lips, I think I'm gonna do kind of like a brown nude. So I'm gonna line my lips with the brown liner. Okay, and I'm gonna go over that with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap. This is like my favorite NYX gloss. Going to spray one more time. Okay, I think that is it for this makeup look. I definitely think that I'm beginning to not be as afraid of color. This orange look was definitely out of my comfort zone, but super cute. I'm just so shocked that this came out so good. Anyways, that's all for today's video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Like I said, everything that I used in this video will be linked down below. They are affiliate links, so I'm not getting paid or being sponsored to use these products, but I may receive a bit of commission if you click that link, just so you know. I love you guys so much. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!